My family wanted Chex Mix the other day, and I got looking at the box, and it said it took 40 minutes to cook it in the oven. 40 minutes. That's crazy. I thought, why can't I make that in the air fryer? So I thirded the recipe, and I made it in my air fryer. So I went from a 40-minute recipe to 6 minutes. And the amount I made was the perfect size for my family. If you liked the video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. For a third recipe, you are first gonna add 1 cup of each of the 3 Chex Mix. I'm just gonna be putting peanuts in. I'm not a big fan of mixed nuts, but if you like mixed nuts, of course you can do that. You're gonna be using a third of a cup. Third of a cup of pretzels. I like to break them up when I put them in. It's a quick little break. You do not have to do that. This is my favorite thing to add to the Chex Mix, the garlic and rye Gardetto's chips. The recipe says you can also add bagel chips, but I don't like those. I like to break up the bigger ones of these as well. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon seasoned salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon onion powder. Mix those up. Before I pour the butter mixture on, I like to mix up the dry ingredients first. Then just drizzle it on top. I like to keep stirring it as I pour. Now you mix that in. I mix until everything has kind of a glossy look to it. It's kind of a butter look. Once you have that all mixed up, you're gonna get your basket and pour it all in. So by putting it in the basket, when we select the air fry time, we're gonna also select rotate. So the basket is just constantly going to be turning while it is cooking. So you do not have to stop your oven every 10 minutes and mix everything up and turn it all over. The air fryer is gonna do it all for us. Put our basket in to the left, hook on the right, close your door. So we're gonna be selecting air fry. Once you select it, we're gonna go down to 6 minutes. And you also need to select rotate. So it's gonna give you a little picture here. And then we're gonna hit start. Our 6 minutes are up. Once you get it out, pop open the door, then pour it in your serving bowl. And now you're ready for having a movie night or even guests over. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.